Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be continuing with our Peugeot 9X8 build. Is this a step we're on? Yeah. But anyway, it's from Lego Technic. I don't know if I said Lego Technic Peugeot build, but we can go ahead and move the main car out of the picture because we need Nope. Where is that piece? So we need another piece like that. What other piece am I supposed to be looking for? Oh, well, those are simple to find. So we need two of those. Already found. There it is. Okay, and one of these blues. That goes through there. And it goes just like that in, looks like the front hole there. Now on to the next steps, which we need two more 11s. It was that, and one more. Where are you? Nope, that's black. No, that's... There it is, I think. Yeah. Let's do the second hole. Wait, what? What is happening here? There we go. Okay, there we go. So that's done. Now we need this piece. That's kind of strange. Okay. So we need four, not that piece. So we're gonna look at it like this. This goes in the second hole. It goes in the back hole, but only halfway in. And this one back here goes all the way in. And this one up here just goes halfway in. And time for another sticker. Number 9, so not this one. Let's get our other sticker sheet. Number 9, where is number 9? There you are. That was actually really good. Can we get some judges in chat, or not chat, but judges in the comment section of how good that was? Okay. So now it goes on the front here. Okay, there we go. There we go. Okay, now on to the next step, which is these things. Oh, hang on. I need to put a black piece in it before we do that. If I can pick it up. Okay. Okay. Oh, we have another one. Where does this even go that it needs a sticker? No? I'm looking at the box art to see where it... Oh, I think we're building the top of the... Oh, definitely. It definitely is there. Okay. Yep, we're building the roof. So there's... But why do we have two? Whatever. It's a big piece. It should not be hard to find. It's like those, but no. Yeah. It's probably right in front of my face and I'm just not seeing it. Where are you? What the heck? I mean, we're looking for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Is it under my car? Around it? Under this? Under my book? This is gonna be the whole video just looking for this piece. Found it. It's mildly annoying. Right, okay, so this. It goes, please. There we go. There we go. Just snaps on in onto the next page. Wow, just like I said. And here's the next page. It's like we're starting on something else. So let's go ahead and get the, does it just match up? Yep. So it's a funny word, but what the cockpit of a hypercar is called, it's called a monocoque. I don't know why, but that's what we're building. Or that's what we just built, the top of it anyway. Need one of these and a red goes in there. Oh boy. This next piece might be a challenge to find. What else do we need? Oh, that was quick. Okay, and then this thing goes so like that. Yep. Then we need one of these. And we need another one of these to go on the end there. Straighten them up. Straighten them up. Where's that angled piece? There you are. So now it goes like that. And we need 2 blue pieces to go in here. Okay, so now we, hang on, it's just to flip it over like this. Yes. So one of these go through all the way, and we need a black piece, this one, to go through all the way. Okay. On to the next page. There are the next steps. And that's where it goes. You know, 1, 2, 3. And this long red goes down here. Okay, I think so. Oh boy, okay. So now we're putting it on the car. So okay, got some stability on that. Perfect. Okay. Next page. So here's what we're doing. That should be interesting. And the next page. Okay. So what we need is this piece. No. Maybe this one. Nope. It's the same. There we go. Okay. Okay. So there was a red little plus piece. Let me call it a plus piece that you had to push in to, I guess, get that to stay. Okay, so we can push that back because now we're working on, how big is this thing? Is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6? I think it's this one. So we need 2 black pieces on the sides. And then this little black grabber thing up top. And a blue at the bottom. There we go. And where's it go? Yeah. We got that. Okay. Everything's in. That goes in. Does the black piece? Yep, black piece gets pushed down. Okay. There's that in. On to the next page. There's that and where it goes. So these will probably be our last 2 steps of the video. We are making some pretty good progress. Need a little 2-piece. A little 2-piece and a biscuit. This thing goes in there. Okay. Yeah. Why are you not going then? There we go. That was way harder than it needed to be. Okay. So now we need an orange to go in there, and a blue to go. Messed up. Orange goes up here. Shoot, not too much. And the blue goes back here. Okay. On to the next page. But I have to end it there, as we are at our time limit. So if you enjoyed that and want to see more of the Peugeot 9X8 from LEGO TECHNIC be built, I don't know why I said from LEGO TECHNIC, but subscribe to know when the next video goes up. Leave a like, comment, all that fun stuff, and I hope to see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.